Good morning, students. Here are the answers of worksheet 4 on chapter soil of class 7. Question number 1. Define soil. The uppermost layer of Earth's crust in which plants grow is known as the soil. Question number 2. How is soil formed? The answer. Soil is formed from the breakdown of rocks by the action of water, ice, that means frost, wind, climate, that is temperature changes, and even living organisms. Question number 3. Give 3 differences between topsoil and subsoil. The answer. The 3 differences between topsoil and subsoil are as follows. Topsoil, point number 1, it is the uppermost layer. Subsoil, point number 1, it is the middle layer. Topsoil, point number 2, it is usually the darkest in color. Subsoil, point number 2, it is comparatively lighter in color. And point number 3 for topsoil, it is rich in humus, while in subsoil, it is rich in soluble minerals and iron oxides. Question number 4. Draw and label the soil profile. Here is the diagram. Question number 5. State 3 factors on which nature of soil depends upon. The answer. The factors are as follows. Number 1, the rocks from which it has been formed. Number 2, the type of vegetation that grows in it. And number 3, the climate. Question number 6. List the types of soil. The answer. The types of soil are sandy soil, clay soil, and loamy soil. Question number 7. State the properties of a good soil. The answer. The good soil has following properties. Number 1. It contains a mix of different sized particles. Number 2. It is rich in organic matter, that is humus. Number 3. It contains plenty of air spaces. Number 4. It has good water holding capacity, but soil is not waterlogged. Question number 8. Mention the content of black and red soil. The answer. Black soil contains dead organic matter and water. This soil is suited for growing cotton and sugarcane. Red soil gets its color due to presence of oxides of iron. This soil is poor in humus but becomes quite fertile when manures or fertilizers are added to it. Groundnuts and red grains are grown here. Question number 9. What is soil erosion? The answer. The removal of topsoil by wind and water is called soil erosion. Question number 10. List the causes of soil erosion. The answer. The causes of soil erosion are number 1, deforestation. Number 2, floods and heavy rains. Number 3, overgrazing by animals. Number 4, forest fires which destroy plant cover. And number 5, poor farming method. Question number 11. How can soil erosion be prevented? The answer. It can be prevented by number 1, planting trees or afforestation. Number 2, flood control by construction of dams. Question number 3, planting trees as shelter belts to reduce the effect of strong winds. Number 4, terrace farming. And number 5, preventing overgrazing. This is all. Thank you and have a good day.